Well, students, topic of the video is area. This is our second video on this topic. In this video, we find the area of the bounded portion y equal to cos x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi. And the diagram of this figure is, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This line is x equal to 0. This is x equal to pi by 2. This is x equal to pi. This is x equal to 3 pi by 2. And this line is x equal to 2 pi. The area of the bounded portion is this one. This one. So area of the bounded portion, this shaded region is y equal to x equal to 0 to 2 pi y dx. Why it is y dx? This is the curve is bounded by the x-axis, so y dx. If this curve is bounded by the this is curve and bounded by x-axis, so y dx. If this curve is bounded by only y-axis, this x dy. But here this curve is bounded by only x-axis, so y dx. And changes of x is from x equal to 0 to pi, and where y is equals to cos x dx. But you see that this from 0 to pi by 2, this is in the upper region of x-axis, so it is divided from 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. In the next one, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, this is pi by 2 and this one is 3 pi by 2 cos x dx. And the next one is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi cos x dx. Now I given a modulus sign, because if any one of these parts becomes negative, the due to modulus, this one becomes positive. So integration of cos x is sin x. This one is 0, this one is pi by 2 and this one is modulus, plus integration of cos x is again sin x, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Integration of cos x is again sin x. This one is sin x, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Modulus. So modulus of sin pi by 2 minus sin 0 plus sin 3 pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 modulus, plus sin of 2 pi minus sin 3 pi by 2 modulus. Now modulus sin pi by 2 is 1 and sin 0 is 0, so 0, plus modulus of sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 and sin pi by 2 is 1 modulus, plus modulus of sin 2 pi is 0 minus sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 modulus. So this one becomes 1. Here is minus 2, modulus of minus 2 is plus 2 and modulus of plus 1 is 1. So this one equals to 4 square units. Next sum is, find the area of the bounded portion y equal to mod x, x equal to minus 2, x equal to 2 and x-axis. So this is x-axis and this one is y-axis. Now see that y equal to mod x, this one is x when x greater than equal to 0, and equal to minus x when x less than 0. So y equal to x, y equal to mx plus c is equation of any line passing through the any point. If c equal to 0, this one becomes equation of any line passing through the origin. Here m equals to 1, so this one is tan 45 degree, so 45 degrees like this. So this one is y equal to x, because it is x greater than equal to 0, so it touch. And y equal to mod x, here m equals to -1, so tan 135 degree, so this one is here, y equal to -x. And here given a cap, because it is not does not touch as equal to 0. To find the area, I am given this here is a cap, remove the cap part, so it is touched y equal to 0. And the line x equal to -2 is like this, x equal to -2, and line x equal to 2 like this, and it is bounded by x-axis. So this is the required shaded region in which we have to find the area of the portion, and this one is 0. So this one is y dx. Why this is y dx? Because it is from the curve y to x-axis, so it is y, we have to use y dx. So area of the portion, now given a name a, b, o and c, d. So area of the required region is equals to a, b, o, a plus o, c, d, o. So area of the shaded region ABOA is equals to x equal to -2 to 0 y dx, and this one is 0 to 2 y dx. Now again given a modulus part due to negative sign. So modulus of -2 to 0 y dx, where y equal to, in -2 to 0 this negative part, x less than 0, so we have to use -x dx, and this is 0 to 2, so x greater than 0, so 0 to 2 x dx. So minus x square by 2 -2 to 0 modulus plus again x square by 2 0 to 2, this one is -0 square by 2 minus -1 square by 2 modulus plus modulus of 2, sorry, this is -2 square of 2, and this one is 2 square by 2 minus 0 square by 2 modulus. So this one is 2 square by 2, 4 by 2, so 2, and here is also 2 square by 2, this is 2, so 4 square units. And there's another process of this sum is now students, you see that y equal to mod x is fx equal to y, and this one is mod x, then f of minus x is minus of minus x is like mod x equals to fx. So this function is an even function. So area of the bounded portion -2 to 2 y dx is equals to -2 to 2 mod x dx so mod x is even function, so by the integration of definite integration minus a to a fx dx equal to 2 into 0 to a fx dx, where fx is an even function, and if fx is an odd function, then this integration is equals to 0. This is for even this is for odd. Here fx is even function, so you have to use this formula on this, then it becomes 2 to 0 to 2 mod x dx. In the interval 0 to 2, this one is x because it is positive, so we use in the part of mod x is equals to x. So 2 into 0 to 2 x dx. So 2 integration x square by 2 0 to 2. This one is 2 square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. So 2 to cancel each other, 2 square is 4 square units. In the next video on this topic, we discuss few more sums on area.